That's the mayor of Naples, Florida, Teresa Heitman, telling Maria Bartiromo the town is starting to pick up the pieces slowly now after the worst of Hurricane Ian has come and gone. That town is just south of Fort Myers, where the then Category 4 storm Ian first made landfall. It's also where we find Lauren Blanchard, who's live on the ground. Lauren, what are you seeing this hour?
Well, Jillian, we can really see how powerful this storm was. Take a look at this. This boat pushed up out of the water. It's kind of wedged in between the dock here. The manager here tells me this bench here comes from a park about a half-mile away. And now this manager here, we're at the Venetian Isle in Naples. They are already trying to clean up. As we go around, you can see what this storm has done to this community. All of this waste. There are doors, they say. They have no idea where they came from, but debris all over. Let me show you this. This is the water mark. The manager here says they think they got about 16 feet of storm surge inside all of these homes. The first floors completely decimated, and I'll show you because we can see it in all these garages. It's this sludge, really slippery. Cars, any car that was parked in these garages are completely a total loss at this point. Thankfully, most of the residents in this community left, but one did not. An 87-year-old gentleman did not leave. I'm told by his daughter he spent 9 hours in waist-deep water until someone with a paddleboard was able to come and get him. Thankfully, he is okay, Jillian, but he is obviously very shaken.
Wow. And Lauren, when you talk to folks who are out and about today trying to pick up pieces, trying to assess the damage to their homes, their businesses, their cars, their boats, what's the #1 concern you're hearing from people?
Honestly, at this point, they are just so stunned. The gentleman, Don, the manager here, he said he's been here for 14 years. He has never seen anything like this. Couldn't imagine it could even happen. So at this point, they're not sure where to get some of their supplies. How do you even begin to rebuild? How do you begin to clean all of this up? Already inside wood floors that I saw inside some of these units that he showed me, they're already buckling. So they're going to have to be completely ripped out. All of the cars that were parked in the garage destroyed. So thankfully, no lives lost here, but there is a lot of property that's lost. A lot of places are going to have to be just completely gutted. And at this point, where do you even begin? That's the concern.
It's hard to imagine. Lauren Blanchard joining us from Naples. Stand by. We'll check back with you. Thanks very much.